I just want to share, if you're making deviled eggs, that if you peel the egg in some cool water, it's going to make the shell come off a lot easier and make your egg a lot smoother. So, and just rotate it in the water and then gently take it apart. Trying to do it with one hand, but it's very easy to do. It just comes right off like that with one hand, y'all. Look at that, baby. Look at that. In the water. Okay? Maybe I'll have time within the 90 seconds. Just play with it. Squeeze it in the water. And it will loosen the skin from the egg. Okay? Trying to catch it. Slippery little sucker. Look at that. Oh, almost. That's one hand, though. You can't beat that with one hand. Look at that. Smile.